Hi, I'm Rishabh Kumar and welcome to my channel Massive Dividends. I'm a real estate investor, coach, and mentor, and in this video, I'm going to share with you how to make an amortization table. So, what is an amortization table? This is kind of a loan schedule that gives you in detail how much of your loan installments are going towards covering your principal and how much is going towards covering your interest. The thing we do is assume that the loan amount is 100,000. The interest rate charged by the bank is 8%, and we take the loan for a standard mortgage time of 30 years. Now let's highlight our assumptions. To get started with the table, we're going to require BOP balance, which means the beginning of period loan balance. Payment amount, that is the mortgage. The interest amount, which I'll show you how to calculate in just a second. We also make a column with principal and EOP balance, which is the end of period balance. We start by numbering the years. Let's do this 1, 2, and drag it down till 30, because 30 is the last year of our mortgage paying years. BOP balance for the first year is nothing but the loan amount taken by us from the bank, which is 100,000. The installment amount, let's see how to calculate the installment. This is equal to PMT, rate 8%, number of periods 30 years, and the loan amount of 100,000. This comes out to be negative because this is kind of an outflow for us. So you want to make this positive, just add a minus sign. So this becomes positive. Now the installment, we have to fix the installment. The installment does not change depending upon the years, because this is not a floating rate installment, floating interest rate kind of a loan. This is a fixed interest rate. This is equal to B7, and we fix this by using Fn plus F4. The interest component, this is equal to the beginning of period balance times the interest rate. We have to fix the interest rate. Principal amount is equal to installment minus the interest amount we pay to the bank, and the end of period balance, this is equal to the loan we had at the starting of the year minus what we paid as a principal. And for the second year, BOP balance becomes the end of period balance for first year. Just click on the bottom right square. And if at the end of 30 years your end of period balance does not become 0, you have made some sort of calculation mistake. Now the good thing about this model is that you can change your assumptions. You can make your loan amount to be 50,000, interest rate to be 6%, and the mortgage term to be 35 years. The installment would also change according to that. See, 8%, 6%. The installment changes to 3632. And at the end of the year, we still have a balance of 0 rupees at the end of 30 years. Payment remains the same unless the bank is using a floating interest rate, which I would suggest everyone to never opt for, because in the case of a recession, when banks don't have money, they usually increase the interest so much that you might not be able to afford the payments. Thank you so much for watching this video, and check out my other videos on YouTube. I've got a whole bunch more about how to invest in real estate productively and efficiently, as well as analyzing your real estate properties in Excel. Thank you.